our listeners on this beautiful Friday morning. We say
To all the drivers out there, our
Yeah.
passengers, lovely passengers, the students, the teachers, the hardworking parents that are tuning in this beautiful morning, and all those that are tuning in from home, the hardworking mothers as well,
Yeah.
doing the housework chores, attending to the kids at home, and also to our dad
Yeah.
in the village also. Tabayan ratuyani bambula tuyani na bindal ni Abu Tambu, unindo pa tubul maya na matakaban na kainday. Totokan nan rakya na bakilito ka kortura na matakaban.
So nice, so awesome, so
Compared to
fabuloso.
the last morning of
This week.
the yesterdays,
Yeah.
today is really lovely.
Oh yeah,
Right.
very lovely.
All
Thank you
right.
very much for the weather today.
Yeah.
As we see the outside, the guava like this yesterday, one guava tree outside
Right.
was dancing feet. Now he is stand still because we only can move if the air is moving.
All right.
Even though we didn't see the air,
Yeah.
Right.
we see his footstep
Yeah.
Right.
by waving at the trees.
Yeah.
Right.
By feeling us.
Yeah.
Now we never see our air, but we can breathe our air.
We can
Don't
feel it.
knock, don't
Yeah.
knock,
We can
don't
feel the
knock.
breeze.
In this earth,
Yeah.
there are so many air,
Right.
different kind of air.
Right.
Eh?
Like you, where you have so many air
We are air
bubbles.
because sometimes we
Air.
can. Huh?
Hair.
Ang kenal ya, Kak. see the air,
Yeah.
see the air outside.
Yeah.
We can't see,
Yeah.
but we are thankful to the up above.
Yeah.
Right.
Give us another chance to breathe
Right.
in this time.
Don't
Let's
knock.
together.
What are some of the things that you can see but can feel?
First of all,
Yeah.
is the air.
Yeah.
Right. Second.
Second is a soul.
Oh.
Nalo.
Right.
You
Then.
can see you can see a soul,
Yeah.
but you can feel the soul.
Oh.
How can you feel the soul? By your wuchina.
Right.
You can feel it.
Oh, the
na-
spirits.
Yeah, the spirits.
Okay, what is the connection? I want to know. We want to know.
Right.
The listeners want to know the connection between the ghost and the hair.
Lagi na buchinya linganda.
Yeah, the bucin linganda.
Yeah.
Saya bucin yang ngonta.
Buchinya nganda.
Yeah.
So okay. See, look.
Yes.
You see who is outside? The rat or the buchina?
The bucina.
See, he's
Right.
the first one to feel it first.
Yeah.
Right.
The reason why it's connected there because our body
Right.
Texas got powers. They only, if the sweat is there, they only can come outside through powers.
Right.
Where there is wuchina, there is powers. See? Na muna itu kina wuchi, itu kina nangkara. Na powers. Huh? You see? Kaya na wuti nilinganda. That's why you see na wuti nilinganda. You can see na wale kita.
Isa na meron di ba warong sa mga sopa. Dapat di tala no ket sa gejing.
We can see the pores inside our
Guys, ada yang nambun. Lupa cara nunggu sakit ini sama dari pemerintah.
we can see the pores.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
That's why the sweat nambuno.
Yeah.
Ela ko nga may duro pores.
Okay.
Right.
Because where there is pores,
Yeah.
there is hair.
Right.
Okay.
Feel.
Let's not nunggu taruh. Right? What is the connection? Because you saying our nabucin yang onda will stand up if the connection to the yellow.
Yeah.
Right.
Na nonrobio kan yellow but take nabucin yang onda.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you can see the yellow,
Okay.
but the bucina is telling you the antenna of the body.
Yeah.
Right.
He's saying something's there.
The feeling.
Right.
Right.
The feeling.
The brain.
Not the brain. The brain is the far apart from the feeling.
Yeah.
I
You
thought
can-
when you feel like
On
scared.
your surrounding,
Right.
Yeah.
there's only one thing that follow you is what?
Shadow.
Is your shadow.
Right.
Right.
You see? There's only one can follow you on the light, not on the dark.
Right.
Eh?
Right.
If you see the feeling of touch, that's coming from the skin.
Right.
You only can feel something coming around from your skin. Kaya na po nandang tumbukin na nausekin na buti mo.
Right.
Because your body, like a meter, 1 meter, or centimeter, or even someone you alone in somewhere, alone, and somebody else look at you,
Yeah.
your body will feel it. Because
Right.
the connection of touch.
You can feel somebody's
Energy, eh?
Not the energy.
Yes, can feel the negative energy. That's why.
If somebody is watching you, baru itu may kutu tahun 20 tahun wa, you can feel it. Somebody is looking.
Yeah.
Right.
You can feel it.
Right.
That's why our skin
Yes.
is so attractive. Okay, kami daw filter kan doon ka.
Right.
Detect.
Right.
He can detect anything that are close to you.
Right.
See?
Okay,
That's why we
sensor,
feel
Yeah, sensor.
sensor.
Yeah.
That's why we feel spirit close to you through the sensor.
Right.
That's why
Yeah.
you see beetle, you see cockroaches,
Yeah.
you see many insects. They got antenna. That antenna for sensor.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Because we are antenna
Right.
here in our China.
Right.
Right.
See?
Where is your antenna? Right.
Eh?
They got only one antenna, one or two antenna. We
Right.
got so many antenna.
Right.
Huh?
Right. Where the Muno comes from, eh?
Ha.
Right.
Okay, alright. Okay, nadaba era kin na kolia matan ra kasanga na buchinra.
Okay, the reason is,
Eh? Why do dogs see the
Right.
yellow in the yellow sinimata,
yeah,
but without the buchin, they got mabuchinas?
they only feel at two position. One in the eyes, one in the nose.
Right.
They smell,
Sense of
they
smell.
see.
Right.
Okay, the reason is, our eyes
Right.
is covered on our eyebrows.
Right.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
We only can see such thing.
Right.
They are microscopic lens that enable them to see the lupus
Yeah.
outside. They got different sense
Yeah.
within
Okay.
them.
Okay.
Their eyes is different from us human.
Right.
Right.
Animals' eyes.
Right. Yes.
That's why when you're riding horse in the night, sometimes the horse don't want to move
Yeah.
because he sees something you can't see.
Oh, okay.
You
Alright.
too, as human can see, but we can feel it.
Right.
That's a sense
That's
that.
the difference there between us
Minta
and
ngayon buli
them.
may sandang buli bata tumay bata kena sense
Right.
ko.
Alright.
We can feel, but we can't see.
Okay,
Right.
go on. Total go. You have a dog, eh? One na usara dog sa do borong sa rabi ko. Whatever you say, that dog will klame pa muria.
Yeah.
Will obey. Don na ngawno ko bondo pas kelimay. Sagi konra ni bi ko na mukulinga ba tagi ko. So that means one yellow is riding at the back of your back.
Yo. Ngona na pamalo man tada si Vidi.
Trying to pop the bubble.
Misra ko koli ko tali mo dai ko. La may keto may tutul. Oy ko ilu ko na aloy muri. Ko na bera ko limay no mo na alo may.
Ano lagi lasan ko li.
Allah.
Hele. Umpun besar nga ya, mata lagi mata ko.
Eh misi tang betaw di mo mbula re.
Lay.
Sali. Mbula re taw mbula re.
Yo ya lo chigilu Chigilu mo to lo ya halo. Ano sig maglo ya lo talaga.
Bakla lo bakla talon rey ba. Tagong ko tala bin rey. Sama-sama rey ko miso musira wasatan rey tu.
Ako pala to ako.
Wey.
Lino wow tabi ni ngango to yan ra. Sa arna yan ra Moses senawa. Iya, it's Friday. Abarumbu tunggu ina nonta banu wasona banu sember tu barumbu ka. Sore andra de kala mengo ni sala ka notification to notify them.
Yeah.
The Facebook is living.
Right.
Huh?
Di nasar. Ya bekem do kata bakon dibilang bertu nan ruah ya buning kito.
Isa.
Sa ton na irong ya sa ntabo na tibi may balag.
Nantabo ko
Right.
na Timmy Chiefs.
Ya,
Nantabo.
right.
O ko adi, tama na mo.
Iya, bakan tua.
Nantabo.
Fijen rotunga.
Iya.
Iya.
Ano bilang biro lebenta pag baron ni ko games pag kira na semifinal la.
Right.
Ni rugby league lagi pag
Don
biro kita
binaka.
nang gitu ngabir na lebenta.
Netball.
Ya sa separa netball talaga.
Oh,
Iya.
pero nanontangon ni lewar nang gitu na primary school. Ba dur sara may bonoliw.
Iya.
May lambasa.
Otoka.
Super Park may lambasan. O pita tawa kito bata.
Oh, yan na binaka.
Mita signa.
Eh, mita signa yan na binaka. Yan rabin
Pag naka
naka.
mata buni men.
Iyo ko kila. Kuatar nga me alo me fondo mai mur. Emori tinawai koro albeta kena da serud.
Sabi, na boleh besar betokan boleh mai.
Sista
Brother, I'm from Brara. Yan rando na
Kalau
ka.
matar muni mata go so tatale go kurmundu.
El na tomoni.
like hat seta kan de Messi.
Mote